What's up, everybody, and welcome to the podcast. Speak with me, Day 10, Real Life English. Shadowing Practice. Part 1, Morning Reality. Good morning. I wake up and check the time. It's earlier than I expected. For a moment, I just lie there, thinking about the day. What do I actually need to do today? I stretch slowly, sit up, and take a deep breath. Okay, let's start. I walk to the kitchen. The floor feels cold, and I pour myself some water. Not coffee yet. First water. Wake the body gently. Outside, it's quiet. The day hasn't fully started, and I like this moment. Part 2. Getting ready. I open the closet and stare for a second. What should I wear today? Something comfortable, but still neat. I grab a shirt, change my mind, grab another one. That's better. In the mirror, I look half awake, but human enough. I splash water on my face, brush my hair, and feel more present. Okay, now I'm ready to move.
Part 3, Daily Movement. I step outside. The air feels fresh. People are already walking, heading somewhere important. A bus passes. Someone is laughing nearby. Life is already happening. I walk at my own pace. No rush, just moving forward. Thinking about small tasks, simple goals. Nothing overwhelming. One step, then another. That's enough. Part 4, Casual Conversation Moment. Someone greets me. Hey, how's your morning going? I smile. Pretty calm. Just getting started. They nod. Same here. Feels like a slow day. We exchange a quick laugh. Nothing deep. Just a human moment. And that's enough to feel connected. Part 5, Mini Story, The Small Cafe. I stop at a small cafe. Not crowded. Soft music playing. The barista looks up. Good morning. What can I get you? I hesitate, then smile. Something warm. Surprise me. They grin. I like that answer. A minute later, a cup slides toward me. Steam rises slowly. The smell is comforting. I take a sip, and for a moment, everything feels steady. A stranger nearby is reading. Someone types quietly on a laptop. The world is busy, but peaceful. I sit there thinking. Sometimes, small pauses feel bigger than achievements, and I enjoy it. Part 6, Afternoon Flow Time moves faster than expected. I check my phone. Hours already passed. I organize small tasks, respond to messages, finish what I can. Not perfect, not rushed, just steady effort. I remind myself, progress doesn't need noise. Quiet work still counts, and I keep going. Part 7, Evening Reset. The light outside softens. The day begins to close. I feel tired, but not drained. That's a good sign. I slow down intentionally, stretch, drink water, let the tension go. Today wasn't dramatic, but it was real, and that matters. Part 8, Reflection Moment. I sit quietly, thinking about what actually happened today. Small conversations, simple choices, tiny wins, nothing huge, but meaningful. And I realize most days are built like this, ordinary moments stacked together. And that's life. Part 9, Calm Closure. I prepare for sleep, moving slower now. Lights dim. The room feels safe. I lie down and breathe deeply. Today is done. No need to replay everything. Just rest. Tomorrow will arrive on its own. Part 10, Quiet Reflection. I slow down and notice the day. Small moments I almost missed. A smile, a conversation, a tiny success. Not everything was perfect, and that's okay. I'm learning, little by little, growing, without pressure. Right now, I'm simply here, and that is enough. Part 11, Gentle Reset. I let the day go, like turning a page. No heavy thoughts, no rushing ahead, just calm breathing and a clear mind. Tomorrow is a new start, waiting quietly, fresh energy, new chances, simple steps forward. For now, I rest, I recharge, and trust the process. Everything continues, one peaceful moment at a time. Part 12, Friendly Goodbye. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for speaking with me and practicing real-life English. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel and come back tomorrow for day 11. We keep going, one day at a time. Good night, and see you soon.
De Partie Me. Calm Reflection Story. Today was simple, but meaningful. I remember one small moment when I paused and just noticed where I was. The air felt calm. My body slowed down. Nothing urgent, nothing missing. Sometimes progress is quiet, not loud, not dramatic. Just showing up, breathing, trying again. And that is enough. You don't have to rush tomorrow. You don't need perfect words. Just speak, little by little, like we did today. Real practice grows slowly, but it stays with you. So let your mind settle. Let your shoulders relax and carry this calm feeling into your rest. You did well today.